Liyah and the Lost Puppy. The warm Cebu sun beat down on Liyah and Blaze as they strolled along the Sicilix Bridge, enjoying the breathtaking view of the city below. Liyah, with her bright eyes and mischievous smile, was a familiar sight on the streets, always ready with a helping hand and a kind word. Today, however, a different kind of adventure awaited them. Suddenly, Bliss perked up his ears and let out a sharp bark. He darted towards the edge of the bridge, sniffing excitedly at a spot beneath a towering concrete pillar. Liyah followed closely behind, her heart pounding with concern. Peeking down, her eyes widened. A tiny, whimpering puppy, no bigger than her hand, was huddled beneath the pillar, trembling with fear. The space was narrow and dangerous, with a steep drop to the busy road below. Liyah's mind raced. She desperately wanted to help the scared creature, but the thought of climbing down the precarious ledge sent shivers down her spine. Remembering her Lola's words of the power of good thoughts and actions, Liyah grasped the small, worn pouch hanging from her neck. It was filled with dried moringa leaves, a gift from her Lola and a familiar source of comfort. Taking a deep breath, she closed her eyes and pictured herself reaching the puppy safely. Opening her eyes with newfound determination, Liyah untied the pouch of her neck and popped a few moringa leaves into her mouth. A feeling of warmth spread through her as she did so. Suddenly, Liyah felt lighter, almost weightless. With Blaze barking encouragement by her side, she began carefully navigating her way down the side of the bridge. Her movements were surprisingly sure-footed, her fear replaced by a calm focus. Reaching down, Liyah gently scooped up the trembling puppy, its soft fur warming her hands. As she held the little creature close, she felt a warmth radiating from within, a feeling she knew was connected to the moringa leaves. Carefully, using her newfound agility, Liyah climbed back up the side of the bridge, safely on solid ground. She cradled the puppy in her arms, relief washing over her. Bliss wagged his tail excitedly, licking Liyah's face in congratulations. Liyah knew she couldn't keep the puppy with her forever. Spotting Manong Isko, a familiar street vendor selling a local delicacies, she approached him with a hopeful smile. Manong Isko, known for his generosity, readily offered her a helping hand. "Liyah, what a cute little one you found there," he said, his kind eyes crinkling at the corners. Liyah explained the situation, and Manong Isko, touched by her compassion, offered to take the puppy to his friend, Maya, who owned nearby pet shop. At the pet shop, Maya was instantly smitten with the lost puppy. She promised Liyah to find it a loving home and thanked her for her bravery. As Liyah left the shop, a sense of satisfaction filled her. She had not only helped a helpless creature, but also discovered a hidden strength within herself. The news of Liyah's daring rescue spread like wildfire throughout Lapu-Lapu City. People whispered about the young girl with a kind heart and a mysterious strength. Soon, Liyah became known as Lapu-Lapu City's newest superhero, a beacon of hope and reminder that even the smallest among us can make a difference. Thank you for listening. To receive Liyah's next adventure as soon as it drops, be sure to hit the subscribe button.